Okay, we're up on the second floor, and of course they're taking photos. Oh, look at this. Look at this senorita. 48 kilo senorita at this point. Congratulations. All right, now. No, it's not bad. Now, keep in mind that all this stuff is imported. Marco has done quite a bit of traveling around the world. He'll live in one place, move to another place, move to another place, and every time he does, he has shipping containers follow him. So you got quite the collection of hats, umbrellas, wall clocks, art all over the place. I believe a lot of the furnishings were also sent in. We got a collection of Russian nesting dolls. We got a whole bunch of those. And he has a boat. I never noticed this before.
It's the gondola boat.
It's a gondola. Here in Dumaguete City we have a gondola from Venice. And because why not? Now, is this a real gondola?
No.
No, it's just okay.
One carpenter from Cebu.
Oh. That's groovy. Also, don't forget, do you sing in the shower? Well, then join us. You can take shower to refresh your voice. And it's not a shower head, it's a microphone. And yeah. Oh, now it's got water coming out of it. So you can sing in the shower. Voice training shower room. Like when it comes to me singing, that's probably where I should be, in an enclosed space, away from anybody. Got a carrier aircon, some guitarras. I don't know what kind of thing that is. If anybody knows what that is, please let me know. It's like some medieval instrument of some sort, like they would play in Monty Python. Search for the Holy Grail. Some more musical stuff, a Thai collection. This must be from Thailand. And what is this, Marco?
Which one?
This right here.
This is when you want to make a proposal to your girlfriend, or I want to marry you.
Ah.
This is a religious.
In this religious kneeler where I knelt to ask my girlfriend to marry me. Oh, in this religious kneeler. So you get down here and ask her for her hand in holy matrimony.
This ark,
In this ark of love, I declared my love for the first time to the love of my life. Oh, wow.
only two cases that you can.
Strictly for people in love, so I can't test it. Well, I mean, I am already, so. You can use it to kneel only in two cases. When you want to ask for the hand of your friend to be your girlfriend, boyfriend, and when you want to ask for the hand of your girlfriend to marry her. Huh. We missed out on this one. This would have been a lot more classy than just asking her down on the Dumaguete Boulevard. Priority line for people in love. And sister-in-law is in the gondola, and they are doing more photos.
Okay. Go sit here.
Oh! And there's a gramophone.
Be careful.
No, this is gramophone. Janice, don't break it.
It's already broken.
Don't break the boat. Oh, be careful, pregnant woman. I don't know if she's gonna fit in there.
You're so mean to me.
All right.
Dali na lang ko kung gusto mo na dalon.
Very important. Framing.
Check. Check.
Nice, so that's the second floor up here at Latino. And a Latino, since he lived in Thailand, he also picked up a bunch of Thai culinary techniques, so you can get Thai food here. That's what we had last time, and it was delicious. So you got like a Spanish-Thai fusion thing going on, if you will.
Italian.
And Italian, of course. Sorry. Pasta. I got everything going on here. And hopefully this situation we're in will improve and business can pick back up. Careful.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. Oh, is that an orange guitar amp?
Yeah. We have 4 American guys. They come every Tuesday.
Yeah.
To practice. They are musicians.
So you got 4 American musicians that come here and practice and jam. Wow. And I bet you they don't argue politics. That's one way to get Americans not to argue about politics. Just give them instruments and have them jam out.
Every time we go here, I remember the movie Coco.
Oh yeah, Coco. That was a great movie. Remember me. And we're just gonna complete out our tour, going back down to the first floor. And there's just more art. And again, just moving all this stuff from country to country behind you as you're moving along. Bolivia, Cuba, Peru, Costa Rica, Panama. Wow, this is really cool. It's so fluffy.
Like you.
Oh, yeah. Fluffy is another term for fat people, in case you're wondering.
Did you see Elvis?
Elvis. Oh, we got the king. Yeah, we'll get.
Gonna laugh that.
And just look at all the art everywhere.
I think you already have an assistant here. Because before when we, first time we went here, we don't have any assistant.
Oh, yeah.
You had to do everything yourself.
Over there.
Yeah.
Come on, honey. You stand over there.
And there is the king. The king is in residence. The king's awfully brown, but
Whoa, heavy.
and wow, look at the guns on her. Huh?
Better take a picture.
Wow.
The Rico, they already have books now.
Oh, it's not stuck. Free shot on the house, almost. Spin the roulette wheel one more time. Free shot on the house. Sweet. Let's get right into that. Esto piensan los hijos sobre sus padres a los 7 años. Papá es grande, todo lo sabe a los 14 años. Creo que mi papá se encana en ciertas cosas que dice a los 20 años. That's Spanish stuff. Ecuador.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.